Hello mga langga, welcome back to my channel. Ayan, I'm going to eat this now because I am so hungry. Ayan, this is a spicy noodles. Ayan, we're going to cook it now and we will eat. Ayan ang mga langga, nag-init na tayo ng tubig. Nag-init na tayo ng tubig doon mga langga. Ha? Ayan mga langga, magkain-kain tayo maya-maya mga langga. Ayan. Ayan ang mga langga. So, we're gonna wait about 3 minutes. 3 minutes to cook our noodles. And then, we kain-kain tayo, ha? Ang ating hot water. Ayan ang mga langga. Ayan, ito na. Ayan. Langga, we're going to taste this noodles. I don't know if this is noodles or with water or I think so, yeah. So we will eat now. As in, oh, naman siya na. Spicy mo lang asin. Pero I'm hungry. Okay. Mga labasin. Asin mo na. I am with milk because really it's very spicy. But I'm hungry mga langga. Mga langga, as in I cannot because it's really spicy. It's double. It said it's double hot chicken flavor ramen. Ayan mga langga, I cannot finish it, the one bowl, because it's really spicy. And it's really... So at least, my lips is... ito ang spicy noodles mga langga, as in. I regret that I put all the spicy paste in there. It's really very spicy mga langga until now. I have my lips like so. This is it. Mga langga, I still have the stink from the spicy noodles, and really it's mga langga. And then thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new uploaded upcoming challenges and videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.